Welcome to Belgrade Steel Tank. Today we will be discussing the setup and operation of the 200 low profile silo. This one is equipped with a 5 horsepower 480 volt 3-phase electric motor with the control panel setup. We will start by showing the jack setup. There is one on each corner to allow leveling of the unit. Install the 1/8 inch NPT plug into the auger drain coupling. Here's the 5 horsepower 480 volt 3-phase electric motor. The motor starter package, which has a 30-foot corded pendant with an emergency stop and a dust collector control switch. Next to that is the silo aeration control box, the plant air filter regulator, the plant air control valve, and the regulators for the silo aeration. Have your local electrician connect your main power supply to the top of the disconnect inside of the motor starter package and ensure proper rotation of the auger. Connect plant air to the left side of the filter regulator and set air pressure to 80 psi. Then turn on the air tank for the silo aeration and the air tank of the dust collector. The 200 low profile silo is equipped with 2 Solimar vibratory discs which need to be pulsed during operation. Inside the silo aeration control box is a timer board. The timer board will need to have the jumper in the number 2 position. The on time should be set to 2 seconds and the off time should be set to 7 seconds. To operate, simply turn the silo aeration switch to on and ensure the regulator's pulse is at 15 psi. To operate the silo dust collector, be sure the service disconnect on the dust collector is in the on position. Then, turn the dust collector switch on the front of the motor starter package to the on position. The dust collector should operate during the fill process and continue for approximately 20 minutes after the fill process is complete. Underneath the dust collector is the dust collector cyclone. This is where the powder will fall from the cartridges after the cleaning process. To empty the cyclone, place a 5-gallon bucket underneath the cleanout gate. Then loosen one of the bolts and remove the other from the cleanout gate and swing the gate to the side. If the flow of the powder stops, you may need to turn the air on to the Solimar vibratory discs in the cyclone for complete cleanout. Now that you have set up your electrical and pneumatic controls, it is time to fill the silo. Begin filling the silo with powder at a maximum pressure of 10 psi. Be sure not to exceed 10 psi. Monitor the pressure relief valve. After the silo is full, be sure to allow the dust collector to run for an additional 20 minutes. Open the slide gate with the provided manual handle, use the corded pendant to start and stop the auger, and turn on the Solimar vibratory discs as needed. If the silo is not going to be used for several days, be sure to close the slide gate and empty the auger.